Hi brother, are you going to Matra? Ah, Rui? Rui. How much? 400. Okay. Let's go. And guys, we are now on the taxi going to Matra.
Go Konesh?
Huh?
Konesh go?
Ah,
Matra Konesh.
no, we will go to Rui first.
Only way?
Yeah, we will take a ride for the bus. How much going in Matra?
Matra
400?
2 Riyal.
2 real each? No, we just go to just go to Rui, then we just take a bus. Then a bus station. We will drop there, huh?
2 Riyal come. Go. Either go.
Huh?
2 Riyal go.
2 real is how much? 280.
How much coming? How much coming?
Because we want to ride the bus, you know?
So go.
It's our first time to ride the bus. We want to ride the bus.
Go Matra, how much coming?
Okay, okay, let's go Matra.
Matra.
Okay, 2 real, ha? Diretso na tayo guys sa Matra. Hindi na tayo magbabas. Pag uwi na lang, magbabas tayo.